Spirits. Hey! I'm the actor. I'm the guy who plays Prospero at Tempest. We used to do our scene down there where you guys just came from, and this staircase was always closed. And all of a sudden it's open, so I just thought I'd kind of look, and there's this door with these crabs. And wow, yeah, and you have these masks. It's very Sleep No More. Do you ever see that play? Yeah. Cool. Theater, man. Oh, that's great. Yeah. Did you see me as Prospero? Did you see me in the Tempest? Okay. Cool. Well, I was really good. I was really good. I forgot most of the lines, but there was this one part at the end of the play. Oh man, how did it go? Yes. Oh, thank you. All right, yes, this is how it went. And now our roles are ended. You, the spirits, as I foretold you, are actors. And soon you will melt into air. Thanks. I'm trying it down on carbs. Here, anyways. Are melted into air, into thin air, which like us something. I don't really remember it. I do remember this part. We are such stuff that dreams are made on, and our little lives are rounded with a sleep. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. Me? Hey, I always knew I was really good. Thank you. Hey, do you mind throwing it at my feet while I bow? And then, yeah, you just thank you. Oh, I feel like an opera singer. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you, flowers, thank you. Man, Shakespeare, we're walking into the light. I'm down. All right, let's do this. Oh no, man. You guys have the key? Oh. All right, here we go. What chance perchance what dreams may come, right? Or, Shakespeare. All right, here we go. Cool.